For the latest Stranger Things news updates, visit hybridnetworkyt.com. What's up YouTube, it's Earthego GT with Hybrid Network with another Stranger Things theory topic piece video. Today we will discuss, will Barb return as the host of a Demogorgon? So it has been rallied, it has been pushed behind many fans that they want Barb to return in the second season. Even hints from the writers, from different award shows, to some of the cast members saying that Barb really isn't dead, or that Barb will be returning in the second season. And this is probably one of the most likely possibilities that she would return would be as a host for the Demogorgon. As we saw the last time that we saw her, she was definitely dead. There was a snake bug type creature literally crawling out of her mouth, of her dead body. So the only way that I could see plausibly that this would happen is that her exterior was risen as a host of a Demogorgon. We already know that Will, from the one of the very last scenes of the first season, Will was throwing up bugs, and he is becoming some type of portal between the two worlds or something like that. We'll discover more in this upcoming season. But if he can do this, if he can be in that world and survive and come back and still be stuck between the two, since everyone seems to love Barb and she became some serious fan favorite, I definitely see her as a host of the Demogorgon being the most plausible possibility. Now, what do you think in the comments down below? Please leave them there. Let me know. Do you think this is plausible? Do you think that it's just a whole hoax, that there's no reason that she would even come back? Or do you think they're just going to lay her at rest in the end of the second season, give that character a little bit more closure? Because it did kind of seem in the first season that she just kind of disappeared, and Nancy was the only one that kind of somewhat cared for her. We didn't get to see her family or her parents or anything like that. It just kind of seemed that went off notice, she was gone. But let us know in the comments down below, and thank you for watching.